Clemson running back up the middle for a first down. Quarterback keep is met by SLU Longhorns, taken down with a 3-yard gain.
Hey, are you here? Okay.
Handoff to number 9, he's around the outside. Taken down by number 1 of the Longhorns, just shy of the first down. Number 4 back for the pass. Pass intended for number 8 of the Cougars. Pass dropped. We have 50-50 tickets on sale. We got 3 beautiful little cheerleaders walking around selling them. If you guys are interested, $1 a piece. Thank you. Quarterback with a handoff to number 21 of the Clemson Cougars is tackled by Longhorns. Number 38. We got a flag on the play. Hand off to number 9 of Clemson. He's up the middle and it's taken down by Longhorn. Quarterback keep, number 4 around the outside. Flag on the play. We got a touchdown. Let's wait for the call. Number 4 breaks a couple of tackles. He's around the outside. Sneaks in for a touchdown. There's a flag on. Handoff to number 21 of Clemson. He's met at the line by number 67 with a hard tackle. Number 8 with the keep. He's tackled hard by Longhorns, number 19.
They said they'll be here.
Tackle made by number 53 of the Longhorns for a stop.
Ooh. Hey, money's running.
Hand off to number 35 is around the outside. And he's taken down after a 5-yard gain. Handoff to number 35 is around the outside. Is taken down. Gain of first down.
Hey, nice race car. Hey,
Handoff to number 11. He's around the outside. He's taken down after a short gain. There's a flag on the play. Handoff to number 35 around the outside. Breaks a few tackles. He's out of bounds. We got a handoff to number 35. He's around the outside. Breaks a tackle. He's got a first down and some more. Hand off to number 35, who breaks some tackles and he breaks loose.
So he beat his guy out really quick. He hit the slant really quick, get a good pass. I'm sure Derek's hard. 100% called. That's exactly what you need for a as soon as he'd start to run or something, or
Right.
use it would just kill him. It just like takes all the power out of your leg.
Right.
I mean, he's like walking around.
Number 5 breaks the tackle, he takes it to the outside.
Every 2 seconds. I might get sick of it. It's just like
Number 4 with the keep.
so much more smooth than
Hand off to number 35. Breaks a couple of tackles, he's got a first down. Number 11 breaks the tackle. It's taken down. Number 5 with the keep. It's taken down after a gain of about 3.5, 4 yards. Handoff taken by number 35, is up the middle. He breaks some tackles.